Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Easy English Slowly. I'm Lily. Today, we will train your mouth to speak English, not only your brain. Your mouth. Maybe you have watched many English videos. Maybe you know many words. Maybe you understand slow English very well. But when someone asks you a simple question, your mouth still stops. Your lips feel slow. Your tongue feels heavy. Your voice feels small. The room feels quiet. The other person is waiting. And suddenly, even easy English feels far away. You think, I know this. I understand this. Why can't I say it? This does not mean you are bad at English. It means your mouth has not practiced enough simple English movement yet. Today, we will fix this in a very simple way. This is not a difficult pronunciation lesson. This is not grammar study. This is mouth training for beginners. You will practice short sentences. You will say them slowly. You will say them clearly. Then you will say them in a more natural way. Let's start right now. Repeat after me. I can speak slowly. I can say one sentence. I can use simple English. My mouth can learn. I will try again. Good. Your mouth is already moving. That is today's goal. Small movement first. Clear English first. Confidence after that. In this lesson, we will use one simple method. Short sentence, slow voice, clear voice, natural voice. Let's begin. Part 1. The truth about speaking. Many beginners think speaking is only a brain problem. They think, I need more words. I need more grammar. I need more time. Words help. Grammar helps. But speaking is not only knowledge. Speaking is also movement. Think about your first language. You do not plan every sound. Your mouth already knows what to do. It has practiced for years. But in English, your mouth is still new. English has new sounds. English has new rhythm. English has new stress. So your mouth may feel slow and unsure. It is like learning a song on the piano. You can hear the song in your head. You can understand the notes, but your fingers still freeze until they practice. English speaking is the same. Your brain may understand, but your mouth still needs training. Here is the important idea. Do not wait until you feel ready. Train your mouth with very small sentences. Repeat after me. My mouth is learning. My voice is getting stronger. I can practice slowly. I do not need perfect English. I need clear English. Nice. When you say these sentences, you are not only learning words, you are training movement. Part 2. Short sentence training. Now we will train with short sentences. Very short, very simple. This matters because long sentences can make your mouth nervous. Short sentences help your mouth begin. Starter 1. I want. Repeat. I want coffee. I want water. I want to practice. I want to speak better. Good. Starter 2. I need. Repeat. I need help. I need more time. I need a short break. I need to say it again. Very good. Starter 3. I can. Repeat. I can try. I can speak slowly. I can answer this. I can use simple words. Good. These are mouth buttons. When your mind goes blank, do not search for a perfect sentence. Press one button and speak. I want. I need. I can. That is enough to begin. A short sentence is not a failure. A short sentence opens the door to speaking. Part 3. Slow, clear, natural. Now let's practice one sentence in 3 ways. First, slow. Second, clear. Third, natural. The sentence is, I want to speak better. Slow voice. Repeat. I want to speak better. Clear voice. Repeat. I want to speak better. Natural voice. Repeat. I want to speak better. Good. Do not rush. The goal is not fast English. The goal is a mouth that feels comfortable. Let's try another sentence. I need more practice. Slow voice. Repeat. I need more practice. Clear voice. Repeat. I need more practice. Natural voice. Repeat. I need more practice. Very nice. Now one more. I can answer simple questions. Slow voice. Repeat. I can answer simple questions. Clear voice. Repeat. I can answer simple questions. Natural voice. Repeat. I can answer simple questions. Excellent. This is simple, but it works. Your mouth hears the sentence. Your mouth feels the sentence. Your mouth says the sentence again and again. That is how speaking becomes easier. Part 4. The 1-minute mouth routine. Now I will give you a small daily routine. Only 1 minute. But do it with your real voice. Step 1. Choose one short sentence. For example, I can speak slowly. Step 2. Say it 3 times slowly. I can speak slowly. I can speak slowly. I can speak slowly. Step 3. Say it 3 times clearly. I can speak slowly. I can speak slowly. I can speak slowly. Step 4. Say it 3 times naturally. I can speak slowly. I can speak slowly. I can speak slowly. That is it. One sentence. 9 times. 1 minute. This tells your mouth. This sentence is safe. This sound is familiar. I can say this. Now practice with me. Sentence 1. I need more practice. Say it slowly. I need more practice. Say it clearly. I need more practice. Say it naturally. I need more practice. Sentence 2. I have a question. Say it slowly. I have a question. Say it clearly. I have a question. Say it naturally. I have a question. Good. This routine is small but strong. Use it every day with one sentence. Part 5. Real-life mouth practice. Now let's use this in real life. You do not need big English. You need useful English your mouth can say before fear gets loud. Situation 1. You are in a cafe. You want water. Say, can I have some water? Repeat. Can I have some water? Again, slow and clear. Can I have some water? Situation 2. You are in English class. The teacher speaks fast. Say, can you say that again, please? Repeat. Can you say that again, please? Again, slow and clear. Can you say that again, please? Situation 3. You are at work. You need more time. Say, I need more time. Repeat. I need more time. Again, natural. I need more time. Situation 4. Someone asks, do you speak English? You can say, I speak a little English. Repeat. I speak a little English. Again, with confidence. I speak a little English. Good. These sentences are not difficult, but they are real-life English. They help your mouth answer before the silence becomes too big. Part 6. A Tiny Lily Story. Let me tell you a small story. One learner told me, Lily, I know the answer, but my mouth feels locked. She could read English. She could understand slow English. But in a small cafe, someone asked a simple question. The question was, what do you want? She looked at the menu. She knew the word tea. She knew the word hot. But the person was waiting. Her face felt warm. Her mouth was silent. Then she remembered one small mouth button. I want. She did not make a long sentence. She did not search for perfect grammar. She just opened the door a little. She said, I want tea. That was all. Not perfect. Not long. But real. Her mouth moved. Then she added one more word. I want hot tea. Then one polite word. I want hot tea, please. Now she had a real answer. This is how speaking grows. One small button. One clear sound. One real moment. Repeat her answer. I want tea. I want hot tea. I want hot tea, please. Good. This is the kind of English your mouth needs. Small, clear, useful, and repeatable. Part 7. Guided Speaking. Now it is your turn. I will give you a starter. You answer out loud. Use simple English. Do not translate a long sentence. Just make your mouth move. Starter 1. I want. Now say one sentence. Starter 2. I need. Now say one sentence. Starter 3. I can. Now say one sentence. Starter 4. I have. Now say one sentence. Starter 5. I feel. Now say one sentence. Good. Now answer these questions with short English. Question 1. What do you want? Start with, I want. Question 2. What do you need? Start with, I need. Question 3. What can you say in English? Start with, I can. Question 4. How do you feel today? Start with, I feel very good. You are not only listening now, you are training your mouth. Final review. Today, you trained your mouth to speak English. Remember, speaking is not only thinking. Speaking is movement. Let's review today's mouth buttons. Repeat after me. I want. I need. I can. I have. I feel. Now repeat the useful sentences. I want to speak better. I need more practice. I can speak slowly. I have a question. I feel a little nervous. I speak a little English. Can you say that again, please? Excellent. These sentences are simple, but simple English is powerful when you can say it out loud. Today's small task. Here is your small task for today. Choose 3 sentences from this lesson. Say each sentence 5 times. First, slow. Then clear. Then natural. For example, I want to speak better. I need more practice. I can speak slowly. Say them in the morning. Say them again later. Let your mouth learn the movement. Do not wait for perfect English. Start with one clear sentence. Thank you for practicing with me today. I'm Lily. This is Easy English Slowly. Keep listening. Keep repeating. And keep training your mouth, one simple sentence at a time. See you next time.